JDCap26 here, just do the tips and fears and hobbies. And how you guys doing today? I hope you're doing very well. And we got a model to do. And yeah, another one. It's in a brown box. And this one's from Monsters in Motions also. Let's open it up. And let's see what it is. Oh, creature that walks among us. He's running. And there he is. And that's just supposed to be on the box like that. We're going to save that. And let's take some of the pieces out here. And well, there's the body. It looks pretty good. Good shape. Here's the other parts, the head. And well, there is instructions in there. Here's the base. Wow, look at that base. That's an awesome base. And we got popcorn here, so somebody melt the butter so we can make popcorn. We got instructions. Look at that. Actual printed instructions on how to put them together. Pretty simple. I'm going to save those, definitely. I save all my instructions. I think you should save your instructions too. And we'll put the box to the side for now. And let's look at this. Looks pretty good. Pretty good shape. Let's open this up. Be careful to open it. It's the bags of the feet and the head. And let's dump those out. And wow, the sculpt on these are perfect. Really good. I mean, hardly any cleanup. Here's the sign right there. Actually, you get two signs. Get two signs. Look at that. Wow, that is so cool. And I don't know what that is. That's maybe to hold the sign up. I'll put that to the side. And oh, it's got some decals as well. I think they go down over here, the decals. We'll have to look in the instructions for that. I don't think I'd put decals on until everything's painted. So we're going to put these parts back in the bag for now so we don't lose them. And this is a nice base. Look at that. Awesome base. It's got a rifle on it. A bent rifle. That's cool. This is in the movie where he pushes the wall down over and goes and it escapes from the facility. And let's build this thing, okay? We got to get some green stuff out. I like using the green stuff, the putty, to do this. So about that much. And we have to peel these pieces off here. Put that over there. Let's see, there's another piece over here. Peel that off. And mix it up. So looks like this Friday we're going to have snow here, and this October, and we're going to have snow before Halloween, and we got that Hurricane Zeta coming at us, you know, so I don't know. Hope everything will be okay. I hope you guys are liking these videos. Please hit the like and subscribe button. That'll help me out in doing, making more videos. And if you see the item down in the video, and you want to buy that item, well, all you do is go to the Amazon affiliate link. That helps me out as well. And I put some white coat right there. We gotta actually look at this. No, we gotta look at the instructions actually, because we don't know how his arms go orientate. So this arm goes, this is the right arm, so it goes like that. I'm gonna have to cut some of this off right here. And let's see. So his arm goes out like that. And of course you're going to have seams to fill. So let's pre-fit this one as well. This one goes down. This one fits in okay, but you know, once you put the putty in, it takes up some of that. Maybe I'm putting a little bit too much putty. I don't know. Put a little bit in there. You want to put enough so it stays on there. And follow the contours of the way he is. Sorry guys, if I'm out of focus here. And this is the right hand. And yes, we will cut the studs off of this. Like that. Take a little putty. Usually this putty takes about overnight to dry, so I wouldn't touch it until the next day. A little bit less than that. I wonder if you guys watched this movie at all. This is a good movie. You can get it on, I watched it on, I think, Peacock, and it was free on there actually, and good full-length movie. Full-length movie. It was really cool. Black and white though. Black and white movie. If you've ever watched them, kind of unique watching a black and white movie. If you ever watched one? They were very common back when I was a kid. Black and white movies. It's like people say, where's the color? And when you put the feet on, you want to make sure they orientate correctly. So, because he's going to be, I think he's going to be stepping on something like one of these parts of the base right here. So, let's put him over here. Let's see, this is over here. I'm going to turn it around like this, and something like that. Of course, you're going to have to epoxy him down. Make sure his feet are somewhat, you know, level. He's orientated correctly. Once you get the putty on, just leave it. Don't touch it, you know. You're done, you know. Let's check the head out here. turn his head slightly. So, like I said, once you get it all together, I'm sorry, if I'm out of what do you call it, focus here, I do apologize. He's pretty cool. Okay, so he's pretty much put together, and then tomorrow we're going to go back and putty in the seams. Hopefully the feet will stay orientated. You got to make sure they're flat. So put it on the table, make sure they're flat, and then just lay it down. You see, now when I laid it down, his foot moved. You don't want to do that. So make sure they're flat, and then lay them down, and then put something underneath. Something like, something like that. Again, I gotta check the feet again. So you don't want to. I mean, yeah, there you go. Just put them and set them. Put them on the base and suspend them from the base like that. So he's pretty much done. And now, and this concludes this building video. Mostly, these kits are formulated for you to really go in there and paint detail and paint and get them painted up really nicely. So, and don't worry about if these are not flat tomorrow. You know, when you put them down on the table, you can always snap them off again and reposition, put them back on. If you have, you know, if you feel you want to soften the putty, you can take a little bit of acetone on a Q-tip and put a little acetone around the epoxy. That'll help soften it and pull the foot off, and then clean it up very well. That's a little trick I learned with this stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great day. Please stay safe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.